Welcome to English Fluency. Today we will learn about common words in English with pictures. These words are used in daily conversation. Get ready for part 3. Fruits. Apple, banana, pineapple, grape, fig, passion fruit, cranberry, pomegranate, nectarine, apricot, papaya, cantaloupe, blackberry, raspberries, lime, lemon, avocado, pear, plum, lychee, grapefruit, peach, kiwi, strawberry, watermelon, cherry, blueberry, orange, mango, star fruit, dragon fruit, tangerine, jackfruit, dates, persimmon, guava. Vegetables: spinach, green beans, radish, peas, squash, celery, mushroom, chili, pumpkin, broccoli, cucumber, beetroot, bell pepper, lettuce, garlic, bitter gourd, cauliflower, ladyfingers, cabbage, tomato. Subscribe for part 4.